Welcome to the first annual Monster Truck Madness Team Cartoon versus Team Fury. Got a lot of trucks participating in both racing and freestyle today. Let's take a look at our field of trucks. One of our first trucks is one of the best. It's Captain America out of Team Marvel for Team Cartoon. Our next truck is the Monster Mutt Dalmatian. All these trucks that you will see first are all for Team Cartoon. Predator, part of Team Predator, coming out to participate today. Team Predator has two other trucks. And Scooby-Doo really had some good runs and won a couple events last weekend in Monster Truck Madness main events. Prowler, one of Team Predator's other trucks, ready to get rolling today. And Samson, one of our former champions in the Monster Truck Madness series, looks to be tough today. And a brand new Donkey Kong truck that has just debuted this year is ready to roll. Superman ready to fly over all those cars and try to help win it for Team Cartoon. And one of the toughest trucks you guys will see out here today is Taz. He's won many events here in Monster Truck Madness. Dragon, one of our newcomers here in Monster Truck Madness. Looks to be a good truck and ready to roll. Wolverine, part of Team Marvel. Teammate to Captain America and participating with Team Cartoon today. Pouncer, the other truck, part of Team Predator. And that is also ready to roll today, making its debut. El Toro Loco, the Crazy Bull. Also one of the toughest trucks out there. Ready to roll and hopefully get the win for Team Cartoon. The Monster Mutt Rottweiler, one of our few Monster Mutt trucks that we have this year at the Team Cartoon versus Team Fury event. And the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle had some really good runs last week. Won one of our racing events over the weekend. Crush Station had really good runs in our stop motion racing event last weekend. Looking to get another one for Team Cartoon today. Medusa is starting off the grid for Team Fury. One of the toughest trucks you'll see out here today. Mohawk Warrior, one of the best trucks too out there. Looking to be pretty good out on the track today. Classic Gravedigger, one of the few Gravedigger trucks you'll see out on track today. And one of the few classic trucks you'll also see today as well. Maximum Destruction, or Max D. Ready to roll today. Really popular truck. Team Hot Wheels won our Monster Truck Lawn Jump event, our first annual one last weekend. Looking to do it again for Team Fury. The Built Ford Tough Blue Thunder, ready to rumble. Advanced Auto Parts Grinder, a teammate to Blue Thunder, ready to roll, making its debut this year. And the Ford Full Bore, also making its debut this year. We'll have to see how it runs on the track. King Crunch, ready to rumble as well. This truck has been in Monster Truck Madness for many years. Backwards Bob, ready to roll. And Utter Madness, really neat looking panel van. It is also debuting this year in Monster Truck Madness. Northern Nightmare, one of the best trucks. Second year with us this year. Dragon's Breath, rival to the Dragon Monster Truck. Hoping to get the win today for Team Fury. In the Ice Monster, ready to roll, another classic truck. Ready to get out there and do some business. And our only fire truck in Monster Truck Madness, Backdraft. And let's not forget the black and green and mean wrecking machine Gravedigger, ready to rumble. And that's your field of truck. Alright, for our first race for Team Cartoon versus Team Fury, it's Dragon versus Dragon's Breath. Here we go. First we got Dragon going. Now we got Dragon's Breath. And Dragon wins the first one. El Toro Loco versus Utter Madness. Ooh, he went far. Oh, Utter Madness had no chance. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle and Backwards Bob. Here goes the Ninja Turtle. Whoa. We'll give the Ninja Turtle another chance. There we go. Backwards Bob. Backwards Bob went farther. Wolverine versus Gravedigger. Part of Team Marvel. And Gravedigger goes farther. We got Predator versus Backdraft. Monster Mutt Dalmatian versus Northern Nightmare. Oh. Alright, another truck out of Team Marvel for the cartoon team. We got Captain America and Max D. Crushstation versus Classic Gravedigger. Monster Mutt Rottweiler and full bore. Ooh, that was close. Alright, by review, we determined that Monster Mutt Rottweiler won. So, next we got Taz and Grinder. Prowler and Blue Thunder. Scooby-Doo and the Ice Monster. Oh, that's over now. Samson and King Crunch. Donkey Kong and Medusa. Pouncer and Team Hot Wheels. In our last year is the first round. It's Superman and Mohawk Warrior. Alright, by looking at it, we determined that Superman beat the Mohawk Warrior. Start round 2, Dragon and Backwards Bob. Team Fury trying to keep their hopes up. El Toro Loco and Gravedigger. Monster Mutt Dalmatian and Backdraft. Crustacean and Max D. Monster Mutt Rottweiler and Blue Thunder. Taz and King Crunch. It all depends on tire length, so we determined that Taz went farther. So next we got Medusa and Scooby-Doo. And our last race of round 2, we got Superman and Team Hot Wheels. Alright, our first race of round 3, we got El Toro Loco and Backdraft. Now 4 trucks left, now down with 3. It's a tight one. Monster Mutt Rottweiler and Backdraft. Alright, Team Cartoon is kind of on the brink of elimination. They only got Taz and Scooby-Doo left. See if they can help them. See, Taz and Max D. That'll help a little bit. Alright, we got Scooby-Doo and Team Hot Wheels. One of the good trucks. It's a tight one. After review, we determined that Scooby-Doo went farther. Ooh, that's gonna be... Oh, Backwards Bob just short. Alright, last hope for Team Fury in this racing event. Team Cartoon still has Scooby-Doo and Taz sitting there. Team Fury only has Backdraft left. See who takes it. Scooby-Doo versus Backdraft. Oh, it's over now. Scooby-Doo again, all the way to the door. 2 of the best trucks. And they all helped out. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll come back with Freestyle in another video.